He really tried, this cat. He came all the way to the front door. What are you? I wish we were cat lovers, but we're not. Trying to eat our meat today, I see. You know when Mom gets the pressure cooker out? It's time. Okay. We have a beautifully grown onion. Homegrown. That's how we like it. In our home garden, actually. It's not even from the farm, but it's good. Let's add this to our meal today. Chef Shamta. I know. They said you do all the work yourself, but do that. Look at all this compost. Time to compost.
On all this.
You have more?
Yeah.
We give the food straight back to what gave us the food. Meaning, we literally give it straight back to the plant that we just harvested. And then we'll cover it with soil, and this turmeric can have its life back. It was sharing the space with an onion. It was not good. And go pour this in another plant. The meat arrived. You guys thought it was just a vegetarian meal today. And no, this is not from our sheep at the farm. Not yet, at least. This piece is so nice. Yeah. Early bird catch the worms.
I don't know for it.
On occasion, we do charcoal when we need to spend many hours cooking this. Any seasoning?
Yeah, we'll get it.
Asking about the spices. These are also homegrown, baby. These are actually from our cilantro. When you leave them for a while, they start to seed, and then you get guedo. Guedo somehow. Or coriander, and then put them in the blender. Wow. The smell is so strong. It's kind of like a combination of dill and obviously cilantro. Okay. All of this for the meal?
Yeah.
Nice. And just salt. Cool. See you in a few hours. Okay, here we have our beautiful fruits from the garden. Anyone remembers us picking these? So they've ripened, and we'll use these ones for the rest of the meal. Of course, not just meat. We got rice and pasta going on. Amazing.
Salt of the eggs.
Ginger.
Look, it's falling off the board.
Benderin, Bamanta. Wow, so juicy. Look at that! Hours of work and one hearty, delicious, meat-filled meal. Say mashallah, bismillah.